this clicking sound. And you're probably wondering, what exactly is that? How do I get rid of it? In today's video, I'm going to highlight a particular muscle that's involved in our swallowing mechanism and assist our jaw with getting food down and when we drink water or drink liquids. And I want to help you get rid of some of that clicking. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to locate something called the digastric muscle. And it's right underneath the jaw here, right underneath, going across. What you want to do is take your thumbs and you want to gently press on that particular region right here, just beneath the neck, underneath the chin there. And you want to press and then lean back. You want to hold this position with firm pressure for about 10 to 15 seconds. All right. And as I'm doing it fast, just so you're not waiting. And then what you want to do is you want to repeat that same cycle at least 2 to 3 times in one session. So